This Millennial Realty property video is presented by Donna Blanton. You will want to move right into this single-level, almost new, one-owner home. Live on the main level with a bonus room upstairs that makes a fabulous game room, craft room, man/woman cave or playroom. Open floor plan with large island. Imagine sitting in your rocking chair on the front porch or have a cookout on the back patio. Beautiful backyard with split rail fence, great for pets or kids. Lovingly cared for, owners have installed a microwave above the stove and recently painted the great room. You will feel like you are in the country with all your amenities close by. Miller's Grove is a well cared for community with low common charges that features walking trails and a playground. Mooresville and I77 are right around the corner. For more information